Okay, you got an opportunity here while the shop is nice and quiet to discuss about adjustments. This is a Cehisa, how we're going to tune the end trimmers on a Cehisa. This is an older EP8. I don't know what year it is offhand, but this is one of those that has a single motor, saw blade on each end, and then if you go in and you take a look at it, if you've got this design, I have a pair of locking bolts here and a pair of locking bolts here that I've currently got taken out because I'm servicing these shoes for other reasons. But I want to go in and tune them. The way that you tune these is you are going to, just like every other Edgebander, align the side of your blade to the face of your shoe. Okay, and that's the way they all work. The question is how does each individual machine make that adjustment? And on this one, what you have is a knob that's in the middle, and it has a spanner slot in here, so you can go in there and put like an Allen key, for instance, and use it as a leverage point, pull it around, or you could put a round pin in that. But this is where you can do some of your adjustments if it's very, very tight. But with this thing, the way this is adjusted, think of it like an inchworm. If you need this shoe to go this way, to move open, then what you're going to do is you're going to crack these bolts here loose, leave these in place, adjust this away from us so that it's pushing the shoe, and that's going to move the shoe to the right. It's going to move the shoe that way. And then if we were to take this and move it clockwise coming towards us, it's going to compress it, it's going to bring this back. Then when you go to do the other one, it's just the opposite. You're going to loosen these, leave these fixed, and use the same knob to push this. So it's just like an inchworm. It's a little tedious because you have to do everything twice instead of making adjustments to both sides as each panel goes through. But it's very effective, it's very simple, and it's one of the things that when people ask me what I think about these little machines and if I would actually use one, that answer is yes, because this technology, why it looks very basic, is very reliable. And if I had to have one of these, if I had to have a need for one of these, they're a good machine. They're very simple, very reliable. If I was working for a multi-billion-dollar company, this is the wrong machine. But if I was a smaller shop, it's a great machine. Okay, so there are other machines out there that I would absolutely recommend, but you have to find the right fit for the right customer in the right price point, all that. This works very well. So that, in a nutshell, is how the end trimmers are adjusted on these EP7s, 8s, 9s, at least in this generation. So hope that helps you out. Have a great day. Go make a million.